First time running the new unit. Seems to be a perceptible delay in the turning on. Original unit did not behave that way. I'm not sure if that's a feature. Increase the fan speed, it shuts off. Turns back on. Increase the fan speed again, the unit shuts off. Turns on. We increase the ozone level. I don't know if this is how it's supposed to work now or not. Makes me a little nervous. I turn it on low. It seems like there's kind of a dead spot in the middle. Let me turn it all the way on high. A little better. I'll have to call and ask if that's the way it's supposed to work as far as the big pause. Set the timer. So anytime any change is made, everything shuts off, pauses for about 3 seconds, and then turns back on.